Here is how you can remove saved password on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can remove saved password on Instagram. So let's start. First of all, open Instagram and log into your account. Now if you have already saved password on Instagram, what you can do is go to your profile. Then after tap on the three lines on the top right side of your screen. Go to settings. Then after tap on security. Now at this stage, go to saved login information. At this stage, make sure to disable all the toggle options. As you do that, your saved information will be automatically removed. However, if you are logged out of your account and your login information is saved, this is how you can remove it. First of all, let's log out of this account. As you can see, the Instagram app has saved my login details. Now if you want to remove this, what you can do is go to the settings. Then after select the account that you want to remove, then simply tap on remove profile. In this way, you can easily remove saved password and login details on Instagram. Well, that's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.